Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and I am pretty excited for today's project. So, if you don't know, or if you don't know me, I am a big fan of Dead by Daylight. I play that game pretty often and I really like to have fun with it. I don't know. I really enjoy the game. I have made a t-shirt. As a matter of fact, I feel like I should be wearing it in celebration, but I am doing laundry now, so I don't have it. So anyway, I'm a huge fan of Dead by Daylight. I have made a t-shirt and I made their crown from their 4th year anniversary. Well, today, in celebration of their 5th year anniversary event in the game, I am making the skull logos that you see. They're like these grayish skulls that have like gold on them, and I'm gonna try and find a picture. That might be a little better. I also don't really know what to call these besides like the skull logo. So anyway, that is what I will be making today. So I'm super excited, so here we go. So I actually have this skull mask from Five Below that I think I bought last year that would be perfect for it. So I pretty much just decided that I needed to paint the entire thing black, which is what I did. And then I realized that that did not color match close enough for my taste, so I repainted it more of like a grayish. It's it's kind of hard to see on camera, but there is a color difference. The teeth actually stayed black because of the paint later, but I did paint it more of a gray. And the next thing was to paint the entire thing with a coating of glue to give it more of a matte finish, and I painted the teeth gold. Next is to add the gold leaf. Now I try and show you the best I can, but it's hard to hold the camera and film. But what I did is I took some glue from the glue bottle and I sort of dabbed it onto the skull mask in sort of like a decent shape, I guess. I kind of just winged it, and then I took the gold leaf, tore it up into pieces, and placed it on top of the glue. I am sorry for these shaky camera angles, but I just placed it on top of the glue. I then took a dry brush and just kind of brushed it to give it more of a like natural look, I guess you almost want to say, but just to break it up a bit. And this is the finished product with all the gold leaf. I have also painted like 3 coats of gold paint onto the teeth. And then I painted inside the nose black as well. And this is pretty much the finished product. I am super happy with this. I think it looks so cool. The only thing I did do, I apologize, I forgot to mention, is I put like the black, like in the picture it's got like black, like this really shiny liquid, basically black liquid like dripping down from like the eyes, the nose, the mouth, but I sort of did it more tamed, I guess. I just did some like strands down the eyes. I tried to make them a little chunkier so they were 3D, and I am super happy with how it turned out. I didn't put any of the black paint out from the nose or the mouth, just because I didn't really want to cover any of that or do any of that, so I just did it through the eyes, and I think it looks so cool. I think it looks so awesome. I am super happy with it. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how I'm going to start my celebration for the Dead by Daylight 5th year anniversary event. I am pretty excited. I'm very interested to see what is to come for the event. So I think that is pretty much it for today. I will see you all later. Hopefully you guys will take care of yourselves. Make sure to eat and sleep and drink plenty of water, especially since it is getting warm out. Well, here it's getting really warm out, so stay hydrated. Okay, I'm gonna get going now. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want, and I will see you all next time. Bye!